In today's video, I'm going to talk about what I have learned in 3 or 4 days just binging on Twitter posts about how to become successful doing AI stuff and how I am personally planning to do and start my business or agency. It's all about the thoughts and the learnings that I've had, and I'm just trying to share with you all the valuable insight and knowledge that I've got. I'll probably share the link of the Twitter posts and blogs that I've read throughout these 3 or 4 days so you can check it out and learn by yourself. But you'll probably get the gist of it in this video right now. To become successful with AI business and stuff, just create an AI arbitrage. Arbitrage means that automating anything that AI can do and reducing the amount of tasks you have to do whatever business you have or whatever task you are trying to do. So there is an example of a photographer who used to take $800 for 4 shoots. So he has thought about it and he has seen that he can use AI in his photos and make things very efficient at a very low or cost effective way. Long story short, after using a lot of automation about AI stuff, he found out a deal that majority of the tasks that he is doing can be automated with AI, and it can be very efficient, very cost effective, and he can provide much better value to his customers. So he just came up with a new offer, which is that in $500 he's gonna give them 100 shoots. It increases quality of value, its service, and he just created a blue ocean for himself because the market is new and no one is using AI like that, and the quality is great and he is giving value and it's cost effective. Thinking of all of that, we all can implement AI in our businesses. So first thing first, what I'm going to do in the coming few months is that I will learn about AI. I'll do the courses. I'll learn Zapier, Make.com, and all the automation related stuff that I can learn about AI. Then I will think about how I can solve a problem that in an industry that I'm interested in. In my case, that's going to be business, social media marketing, and all those stuff. How I can provide value with AI automation with those things and become an expert in my area. One more thing that I've learned is that have one problem, one solution, and one offer and one industry, just one thing. Don't spread out yourself to multiple industries. Narrow down the things that you are trying to do and just pick out one problem that you can solve and solve that problem to the best. So be known for just one thing. So what I'm planning to do is 2 things. The first one is AI automation. The second thing is knowledge-based AI chatbots. But for automation, in the upcoming months, I'm thinking about learning Zapier and Make.com, and they have courses. I think probably all of them are free. I have done 2 of the courses already, and I'm going to keep learn and try to implement those things personally in my life. And then I'm gonna see that what I can do and what and how I can offer those things. But first I need to learn. Like couple of months, I just going to learn about the AI automation stuff. Then about the knowledge based AI stuff. So what those things can do is that you give them the information, documents, and all those stuff, and they can work as your own personal chatbots. The knowledge based chatbots, meaning that you will give that chatbot and you will feed that chatbot with your personal knowledges, and that it will learn your PDFs or documents, and then it will solve those kind of problems. These chatbots are specifically amazing for customer services, consultancy, and all those stuff. So if I can learn that, I can provide services in different industry. In my case, I will just provide service in business or social media, online marketing, all that kind of industry. I haven't yet picked up a niche, but yeah, 2 things: AI automation, then AI chatbot. After those things, I'm thinking about like giving and providing services based on those things. Let's see how it goes. So yeah, it was a short video. I have no idea if I'm going to post it or not, but yeah, let's see.